This is the January 2021 crypto giveaway announcement video. That's right, Altcoin Trader give away over 3,200 rands worth of crypto every month, but you have to comment in tomorrow's video. But before we get into that, I would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a happy 2021. I wish you and your family happiness, prosperity, and health in this new year. Good morning, everybody. Okay, before we get into the crypto giveaway, I just want to take a quick look at the markets and let's have a look at what's going on. If we look at CoinMarketCap, we can see we've got Bitcoin at a blistering 33,000 US dollars. Now, it has been a little bit higher in the last couple of days, but this is very close to all-time highs. We've seen a lot of institutional investment in Bitcoin, but I'd like to take an opportunity to point out that because we saw this dramatic run-up over the holiday period, when institutions were clearly closed, it may point to the fact that a lot of this investment is actually retail investment. And we know what we saw in 2017. We saw massive retail FOMO, which pumped the price to astronomical highs. So I think that Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in general, is in a very good space right now. We've got retail investors, we've got institutional investors, we've got the retail investors to pump the prices up to astronomical highs again. And then we've got the institutional investors to buy up the dips and make sure that we don't see these dramatic drops. Now, guys, I'm not saying there are not going to be dramatic drops, but it certainly looks different to what it's looked in the past. We've got a lot of people talking about Bitcoin. We've got a lot of retail and institutional investors looking to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, and that's what we are seeing. Also, if we have a quick look at Ethereum, it has pumped a crazy 37% in the last 24 hours. And in the last 7 days, we're up 46% to over 1,000 US dollars. We'll get onto Altcoin Trader and look at the Rand price in just a second. But what we've seen with just about every bull run is that we've seen Bitcoin going up astronomically. I always say Bitcoin and Ethereum are tied with elastic bands. So as Bitcoin goes up, eventually Ethereum will come up. Also, what we see is a lot of people, when they start hearing about Bitcoin, institutions and retail investors alike, they get to a point where they start to feel that they've missed out on this tremendous bull run. So they start looking for alternatives. And that is partly some of the reasons why I believe we start to see the altcoins start to follow with the pumps. Now, USDT, well, that is USDT. We know that there's actually been quite a lot happening with USDT in the news. A lot of people are questioning their solvency, but that's nothing new. That's been happening for a long time. Litecoin has pumped nicely, actually leapfrogging XRP, up with 20% today and 26% in the last 7 days, up to 164 US dollars. XRP, let's take a second to talk about XRP. If you're not following the news, the SEC, the Security Exchange Commission in the States, have come out and said that XRP is a security. Now, this has a lot of serious impacts. First of all, a lot of the bigger exchanges that do operate in the States now have to face the question that if XRP is a security, they are not security registered exchanges. So for them, it will probably be easier for them to simply delist XRP. And that, of course, will have a huge impact on the price. We've already seen dramatic drops in the price with all of this FUD. Basically, in a nutshell, what is happening is that the SEC is saying that Ripple's main source of income is actually selling the tokens, and they hold most of the tokens. The Ripple company holds most of the tokens. So by selling the tokens and just allowing clients to speculate in the hope that those tokens will go up, it does deem it as a security. Of course, Ripple, the company, is arguing that they're selling software and onboarding banks, and that is accounts for a large amount of their profits. But clearly, it's anything could happen at this stage. XRP or Ripple, unlike a lot of the other companies that have come against the SEC, have taken a stand and decided to fight. We know that it's very difficult to win anything with the government, especially because the government make the rules. Now, I don't have anything against XRP, and I know that there is a very strong XRP army following this channel. But guys, I really would have thought that what they could have done in the best interest of the price and in the best interest of the project is actually try and work this out instead of going to war with the SEC. But at this stage, anything can happen. I must be honest, I don't think it looks good for XRP in the short term, but that doesn't mean that this can't be resolved. And if it is resolved, then it would be a great time to buy XRP now. Unfortunately, no one can tell the future, and it is a very risky play at this stage. I'm sure a lot of people are going to hold the XRP, and I'm sure that there are going to be a lot of people that are just going to want to get out. You know, my view is Bitcoin, Ethereum, I believe that they are very strong coins for the long term. There are a lot of other coins that you can dabble in, but you really have to have some good knowledge before you get into those coins. Let's have a look at Altcoin Trader. We've got Bitcoin that was trading yesterday at 509,000 Rand per coin. Now that is certainly an all-time high, at least on Altcoin Trader. I think it might possibly have been the day before, but right now we've got Bitcoin trading at 492,000 Rand per coin, and we've got Ethereum at 16,500 Rand, which is absolutely phenomenal. Ethereum really pumping in the last couple of days. Litecoin at 2,500 Rand per coin. Now guys, let's talk about the crypto giveaway, which is happening tomorrow. So don't put a comment on today's video. Well, you're welcome. In fact, do put a comment on today's video, but it is not going to put you in line to win any cryptocurrency. Tomorrow, the video will come out anytime between sort of 5 a.m. in the morning and sort of 2, 3 in the afternoon. You guys know it normally comes out around about 8, 9, 10 o'clock. But on that video, whoever puts the first comment will win 1,000 Rand worth of free crypto compliments of Altcoin Trader. And then we have additional 3 prizes. Those prizes are first prize 1,000, second prize 700, and third prize 500 Rands worth of crypto. Of course, if you guys take XR, which is the South African stable coin, you will get a 30% bonus on your winnings. Now, there's a lot of comments on tomorrow's video, so guys, make sure that if you are going to try and get that first comment, that you are subscribed to this channel and that you are watching for the second that video comes out. Of course, only YouTube comments are eligible to win the giveaway. If you do comment on Twitter or Facebook or any of the other socials, while I very much appreciate that, of course, that will not put you in line for the crypto giveaway. The draw of the crypto giveaway will take place on Wednesday, the 6th of January. It will be a draw where you can see the winners. If you do put your crypto address in the comments, we can pay you quickly, efficiently. Another thing, guys, this is a contest for anyone who loves crypto. While we appreciate all the Altcoin Trader clients and the Altcoin Trader supporters, this is just a competition that we do to get people involved and excited about crypto. So it doesn't matter where you are, doesn't matter what exchange you support. If you have a crypto address and you are passionate about crypto, you are welcome to enter this crypto giveaway. And then of course, Altcoin Trader sponsor this giveaway, which means that in the event of a dispute, Altcoin Trader will of course have the final say and no correspondence will be entered into. One last thing, guys, spam comments will just simply be deleted. So spammers, don't put your comments on the channel. It doesn't really help. And you certainly will not be eligible for any winnings. In fact, if you do win, we will actually just redraw. Guys, one comment is enough because we do filter out duplicate comments. I am super excited about 2021. We are hoping to have an amazing crypto year. We can expect to see mass adoption in the space. We can expect to see governments, regulators, and the powers that be coming on board and making decisions. We're holding thumbs that those decisions will be sound and that they will be in the best interest of the South African citizens, and I'm sure they will. So I say with some confidence that I am very, very bullish and excited about cryptocurrency. If you're not invested in cryptocurrency, consider Rand cost averaging. Don't throw lump sums and don't get careless with your money, but putting in money every month, buying an average price is a very, very sound investment. That's it from me. I'm out. See you tomorrow.